Welcome back to the vlog. Just kidding. Hey you guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the August Boxycharm Premium. Whoop whoop. Chicka 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 whoop whoop. So I already have this, or I already opened it, but I haven't used any of the products. So we're going to use the products today. Okay, so we are going to unbox Boxycharm Premium. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm Premium, it is the next step up from the regular Boxycharm, where you can get 3 to 5 products for $35 a month, or I'm sorry, 3 to 5 products for $25 a month. Boxycharm is 5 to 7 for $35 a month, which is what I do because I just feel like you get better stuff with that. And it was really odd because usually it comes with an information sheet where I don't have to like get on my phone and tell you guys what everything is. It did not do that this time. So, well, I'm pulling this up. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button below. Join the family. I was trying to decide for today's video, if I wanted to record with my hair straight or if I wanted to put it down, but my mom French braided it. My hair's kind of uneven right now, so there are some parts that stick out of it, but it's out of my face and it's actually pretty good. I had somebody ask me a couple weeks ago if they should sign up for Boxy, and I'm a big Boxy fan, so I said yes. And then they asked me if I had a code, and I don't have a code. So that would be super awesome if I did. So let's go ahead and open this box. So I have 6 products in here this time around, and the brands differ. So every month you get to choose one of your products, and this month it was all moisturizers or facial stuff that I got to choose, and I chose the C.E.O. SUNDAYRILEY Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Well, I'm gonna have to pull this up on Sephora because Boxycharm is not agreeing with me. I'm gonna have to start recording in the daytime. Look at how good my lighting is, and I even have my ring light on. Okay, so SUNDAYRILEY, according to Sephora, so shout out to Sephora because Boxy doesn't give me any information on these. This is, for this size is $65. This retails for $65. It's got 4 out of 5 stars. It's good for all types of skin. So it's a hydrating moisturizer that is infused, or I'm sorry, a hydrating moisturizer that infuses skin with high potency, advanced vitamin C to fight the visible signs of aging while providing powerful antioxidant support. And it's a solution for dryness and fine lines and wrinkles. And it has no parabens, no sulfates. Only in the past I would do a unboxing video and then I would use it in another video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just use what I have today. I just think that's easier, and I think it just like becomes too much after a while. The second item that we have is the CIATELONDON. This is the editor palette, so this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today. This retails for $32. I think this packaging is super cute, and it's pretty hefty, and this is the New England editor palette. And it's like super simple colors, but those are just so freaking pretty. This is 18 shadows, so we have that to play with our eyes today. The next product that we have is the Dermalect Extra Large Lash Volumizer. So when you see that, you're like, oh cool, like it's a mascara. So I opened it, and it says this is good for your eyelashes and your eyebrows. Booster formula. So it transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. Specially formulated to target thin, weak, and brittle lashes. Formulated with a strengthening trio of active peptides, conditioning treatment works to bolster, moisturize, and fortify. Unbeatable coverage and volume. Excellent for eyebrows too. You open it, and it's a serum. I've gotten a lot of serums lately. As a $49 value. This is the MAC. This is a MAC satin lipstick. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. This is a MAC satin lipstick. We have it in the shade Spirit. So these retail for $19. This is my first unboxing video for a long time, and it's making me not ever want to do one again. So I love how cute MAC's little bullets are. And that's like a perfect nude. I'm gonna definitely love that one. And you know, when I was growing up, like I saw girls use like women use lipstick, and I'm like, ooh, they're so fancy. I had friends, I had moms that wear makeup. My mom didn't really wear a lot of makeup, but it's kind of cool that now you're like grown up and then now you're in that spot. We have 2 products from Fenty Beauty. We have a Fenty, this is a portable contour and concealer brush. Retails for about $24. Now, Rihanna's brand is luxury. That looks like the body highlights and stuff. So you push it down and you can go like this. It's super soft. So I would maybe use this for like some blush or just to kind of blend over everything. Then we have a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a Fairy Bomb, and this is in the shade COPPA Chill. This is a limited edition and it is exclusive. You can get one of these at Sephora. This is the one that's at Sephora that I'm looking at right now is $28, and it looks about the same. They're kind of small, but look how pretty that is. It has a super gold tone. So we'll use that today too. I really love the Anastasia one, but I don't, like I'm so loyal to this. Like this is just my jam. And as much as I love it, I do have more than one of my favorite products. So why would I just use that one when I've been loyal to this one? So I'm going to apply this concealer with a flat brush. This is from Crown. Crown has some of the best brushes. Now, you don't even have to use eyeshadow primer. You can use concealer. I know a lot of people actually use concealer because you already have it in your like makeup. Like you don't have to like go out and buy it. But some people just don't want to do that, which, I mean, to each their own. There's really no rules with makeup. I know people that just put foundation over their eyelids and then go over it. There's no rules to makeup. You can literally do whatever you want. So the CIATELONDON eyeshadow palette, there's no eyeshadow names, which is nice, because then you're not caught up on saying this name and if you're in the wrong name or what. There are a lot of shimmers in this palette. So I'm going to go on with this big Morphe, oh my gosh, Brianna's hairs. I know that's not mine. That's huge. Okay, so I'm going to go into this first super light shade. I'm going to put that into my crease. And you can't really see this, but that's a-okay. You're not really going to. I use this brush all the time. This is the Jeffree Star JS6 brush. This is just like a perfect shade for shape for blending. I'm going to go into this darker shade, this darker brown shade, and I'm going to put it directly, like, it's going to blend together, but I'm just going to put it a little bit under where I started with the lighter color. These shadows are a little bit chalky, like every shadow is. So just what I do with my shadows is so I don't apply them too much. Just start with a little bit and then work your way. Now I'm going to take my finger and go in with this gold shade right here. I'm going to put that in the, pop that in the middle of my lid. Not too crazy about the gold. Okay, I'm not too crazy about it, but that's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this color, tap off my brush, and I'm just going to kind of start working that down a little bit. So I completely just thought that I had recorded me putting on that SUNDAYRILEY moisturizer. I guess I didn't. My face is feeling super good though, super moisturized. And now I'm going to put on primer, foundation, concealer, powder off camera. I'll be back to do blush and my lip. I'm going to do bronzer off camera as well, just because I don't have a bronzer that I'm using. I'm going to be using this pink shade for blush. I'm back. I have my base on for the most part. Oh, Alex is awake. Use this pink shade with this concealer brush. Put it on like that. Ooh, that is pigmented. So that actually blended out pretty nice. I'm going to use this light loose powder in the shade COPPA Chill with this brush. That COPPA Chill is more like what I like about Fenty's glitters or highlighters are that they're more sparkle than anything. So that's just like a super subtle. I feel like I think it's subtle. I know like Brianna loves it, but I just like glow. I like glow more than anything. Not that I don't love Fenty's highlighters. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Lay Down the Maves. You guys, these are like the bomb. Especially for the price. These were like $1 a piece at Dollar General. Let's go in with our lipstick and we will be done. And this is in the shade Spirit. Hold up. Wait a minute, Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty, you have some competition. This is like gorgeous. I'm going to go in with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I used the Hyaluronic Acid Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer today. And I did the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Concealer just for a more natural look. I mean, I know I have blush on. I don't have any eyebrows on. I don't really have that much highlight. The thing about this one, I will say, is that it's kind of brown. It literally has copper, so you kind of have to blend it out with it. That is all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. Alex is starting to cry, so I'm trying to hurry. Make sure you like this video, subscribe. If you guys like these videos, give it a thumbs up so I know if I'm like wasting my time making boxy videos, or if you guys actually like them. So that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, I will list everything that I talked about today, and I'll list their price points below, like retail value. I also will post what I used off of camera, just so you kind of know. Alright, you guys, see you guys next time.